What does the X for X in syntax mean? What actually happens when this code is executed? I understand. That makes a list. Is digit, checks for true or false if an element of string text is a number. However, I am unsure about other steps, especially, what does that X do in front of for loop? I know what the output is below, but how is it done?
This is just standard Python list comprehension. It's a different way of writing a longer for loop. You're looping over all the characters in your string and putting them in the list if the character is a digit. See this for more info on list comprehension.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.